Hi everyone. Okay, so I am behind on Pipsticks also. So sorry about that. Let's get to it. I think it's June and July. Yeah, June and July's kits. Let's see. This one is June. So the first one I got was June. Yay. So let's look at the little magazine. A note from Mo. How cute. Okay, so let's open this. And it's $19.25 for 15 stickers. Let me move this stuff out of the way, you guys. And let's do this. So, let's see. Let's do this. So, that way it's down a little bit more. You can see it. Okay, so this is the postcard. Let me sketch it in. Isn't that pretty? It's a pretty postcard. I love that. It's all I think it's all birthstones, right? Ruby and all that. Oh, that's pretty. That one's really pretty. Okay, we'll go kind of fast, but not too fast. I love these, you guys. So cool. Oh, so this is like astronomy. Like, it feels like it's astronomy stuff, right? Is that what you get out of this too? I don't know if it says that somewhere. I don't pay attention to any of that stuff. I just get my kits, but I don't, yeah. I got out of one of their Facebook groups, and it was really, you know, I don't understand some things because they had a known scammer in their group, like a known scammer, always wanting stuff for free and everything else, and they're like, well, she hasn't done anything. I'm like, wait a minute, she's scamming people out of stuff, and they're like, well, too bad. And I'm like, okay. So yeah, I'm just like, you don't care about your group members? Because there's a lot of women out there who are generous, men and women who are generous, and who want to give to people who don't have a lot. And so you send it, but you're sending it in good faith that it's to somebody in need, but it's not. It's a scammer, and they just didn't care, and I didn't like that, so I got out of the group because it was just like, well, she's not breaking any rules, but isn't she? I don't understand, you guys. So that's just me. That's just me. I would prefer people not get taken advantage of, but I guess that's just me. So bad me. bad me. Slap my own hand. Boop. Okay. Stop caring. So, but no, I will not do that. I will not stop caring. I spoke out and I spoke up, and it didn't matter. So it's not up to me. So, all right. And then here is July. July. Oh, it's so cute. Okay, and then I'm excited to get to the kids pack, you guys. I am telling you right now, I am so excited. I want to see, and I'm not sure. I haven't gotten the mail today, but I'm almost positive I might have the other two in the mail for August. Not positive, but I think I am though. I think I do have them in the mail. Oh, look at how cute this is. Oh my gosh, you guys, this is like what they have around here, you know, the little fruit stands in the corners. And look at, they have tahine and chamoy, and then these little fruit things. My daughter loves these things. I don't personally like them because I don't eat, I only like watermelon. I don't like honeydew and cantaloupe and, no. And then, you know, having cucumbers and stuff, paying, you know, that amount for a cucumber and only eating that is just ridiculous. So I don't want to do that. I'm cheap. And but how fun is that? That was cool. That was very original. You never see that kind of stuff. So I'm pretty happy about that. That's really cool. So my daughter took a picture when she got one of those things. So now I know that when we stop and get her one, to take a picture of her. That way I can use it in my project life. So that way I can have a coordinating sticker. So, and as a if you're a scrapbooker, you know what I mean, right? You got to coordinate your family to some of the stickers we have. So, or paper that matches your child's clothing, and etc., etc. So, oh my gosh, you guys, I am loving this. This is all canning. Oh my gosh, I love it. And then we get these stickers, these little vinyl stickers. Oh, look at these. Oh, these are also like Mexican ice creams. I mean, I don't know if they're in all the Mexican stores that I frequent, so I'm just saying that they're Mexican ice creams to me, but they could just be normal ice creams for that anybody can make. I don't know, but that's just, you know, what I know. Ooh, look at potatoes. Yum. I've never met a spud I didn't like. You know, that's, I think Dolly Parton said that, and oh my god, I love that so much, because I'll eat a spud no matter how it's cooked. So mashed, baked, fried, so you name it. If it's a potato, I'm gonna eat it, and I'm gonna enjoy every minute of it. So, okay, let's get to the kids. The kids are also $19.95, and oh look, I got oh, let me scooch it back out. $19.95, $19.25, $19.25, and you get 15 stickers. And look at, oh my gosh, I love this part so much. Oh, I love this. This is the newest thing they've been doing, and oh my god, I love it. I want to color it myself so bad. But I have friends who have kids, and they're single moms and stuff, and they're doing a freaking fantastic job with their kids. And I want to be able to send them those, and then send them some crayons and some markers, and then send them some stickers. So I'm in the process of trying to do that, of trying to gather stuff to send to them. That way they can have stuff to play with their kids, because I'm telling you, they've been doing a wonderful, wonderful job. Oh, I just saw the panda. We had a panda already, but I think it was a panda. Now this is a panda mermaid. Ooh, so cool. And then we have, so this is all like under the sea kind of theme is what this one is. Cute. Then you can dress up. I think I'm going to send, because she has 2 daughters, so I think I'm going to send her all of the ones that you can dress up. I think I'm going to do that. I think that'll be fun. Let me, you know, instead of picking it up towards you, I'm gonna do what I've been doing, right? So just easier. So we have the total, you know, when we were kids, the glitter seashells. Oh, look at that. How cute is that one? And then look at the submarine. Oh my gosh, you guys. Oh, I love it. The normals. That is so fun. Pelicans. There's the panda mermaid. Panda mermaid. Love it. So cute. Look at that one. And then you can build your little seashells. Oh, look at the lobster. I always need the dang lobsters and crabs, because we have that during Christmas time. And I need that. Oh, look at the scratch. I love the scratch and sniff. I love that. I love it. And it's pineapple. Yeah, I still don't have my sense of smell, so I am not able to smell it. But oh my gosh, it's pineapple. I love it. Oh, and so these are my favorite. I'm sure I tell you in every video. The scratch and sniff and the puffies. They are my absolute favorites of this whole kit. And look, it's a pirate, which my husband and I just went on the Disney cruise, and so we had pirate night. So I think I took a few pictures, and I'll have to use that. Okay, so let's see, Pippi, little Pippi. Oh, let's see what this one is, you guys. Ah, look, it's so cute. I love it. Oh my gosh, you guys, I love these so much. Oh, the 80s kid in me loves it even more. Okay, so let's see. We have got to take that one out. Oh, look at how cute. So I'm sending her all the postcards also, and so that way she can have all the postcards, and they can color them and send them off to whoever they want, you know, like a Happy Mail sort of thing. So because I love the postcards, but I don't have anyone, or I don't really I don't want to send it to anybody. So, because I don't think anyone would really appreciate it. So, where I think 2 little girls would love it. So cute. Oh my gosh, look at that one. Oh my gosh. I love it, you guys. Oh, look at little rock stars. Oh, see, like these I'll send to them because I love them, but I don't have a really good PL layout in mind right now for them. Oh my gosh, look at that one. So I see this thing a lot, and I'm curious about it. I've never, I guess because it's on Instagram so much, people show their little critters, and they look cute, but I don't know what they are. So, is this a mouse? Oh, it's a little mouse, you guys. Oh, there it is. It's a mouse in a spaceship suit. Oh, look at that one. Oh, yeah. It's so cute. And look at the solar system, and yeah. And the cats. Cats in the solar system. A cat. Oh my gosh. With balls of yarn. And then this one, the spaceship. Oh, I love it. Okay, and then now we get to the scratching stuff, which is strawberries. Oh my gosh, strawberry. How cute is that one? Oh, I love it. And then puffy sticker time. Woohoo! Oh my gosh, how cute. Let me see right there. Oh my gosh, I love it. Ugh, so cute. I love Pipsticks so much. I don't want to get rid of my kids. Alright guys, see y'all in probably a day. Bye.